Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be fishing for the one and only largemouth bass. There's just something about a largemouth that feels so good to go back to after catching all these different crazy species. Just feels like home, you know what I mean? So today we got pretty good conditions. We got a cloudy sky and about 85 degrees out here, whereas lately it's been in the 70s. So this warm front I think is going to get them a little bit more active because I've seen a lot of activity on the water already as I've been here. But we'll see what we can do. Actually today I'm fishing at this overfished lake that you've seen before. It's a very pressured lake, so I'm actually using live bait today. Let me show you. So we got some live minnows here. We'll see what we can do with those. I have a feeling they're gonna do pretty good out here. So let's get after it. Oh, there's one. That's 12. Okay. All right. Not too bad. Well, there's a little guy. Not too bad. That sound that you're hearing is the air pump for the minnows, by the way, just before anybody asks. There he is. There we go. So today's been a little bit hotter. As I said before, it's been a little bit hotter than it has been lately. And the reason for that is because the fall has kind of slowly been transitioning in, but you know, summer's not quite done yet. So today it's probably about 85, and most days it's only gotten up to the 70s. So it's definitely nice to still have a little bit of summer left to enjoy that summer weather to fish. So I decided to switch to a bobber instead of freelining the minnow, just because I want to cast a little bit further out here. So let's see what that does. So I've been waiting with the bobber and minnow for a while, and I don't think anything's really going to happen with it. So I'm going to go back to free lining the minnow. And I have one spot over by a drain that I think might have some fish. So let's go check that out. So I just wanted to see if I could maybe find one over here. If I can even get past all these weeds here. I have an idea.